Self-practice 4.2 question 2. A ball was released at a height of hcm from the surface of Earth. Right. Let's say this is surface of Earth. We release a ball here. The ball will bounce with 90% of its initial height after the ball hits the surface of Earth. So when it hits the surface of Earth, it bounces 90%, then 90%, 90%, 90%, and so on. Okay, so it will decrease by 10% every time, lah. Right. The height of the ball after L bounces is given by this. So depending on number of bounce, we can find the height. Determine the height of ball when the ball was released. So when the ball was released means it hasn't bounced any time. So the number of bounces here will be 0. So A, we can say the height is 10 times 0.9 power 0. So 0.9 power 0 is just 1. So 10 times 1 is 10. That's it. Then B. B is after 10 bounces. So number of bounce will be 10. So we just put height is 10 times 0.9 power 10. 10 times 0.9 power 10. 3.487 cm. Which makes sense lah. The initial height was 10 cm. Then after 10 bounces, the height become 3.487. That's it.